Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meskora. But today I'm trying to do a self-portrait with flowers that I bought yesterday. These are fake flowers, so decided to be creative today. Flowers with this wig because I just washed my hair. I can't afford to losing my hair again. And this top. This is sleeveless because I'm just trying to take from my chest up. So let's get into it. So I'm ready. I did my makeup earlier, so I just wanted something light. This is the setup that we are working with. I'm going to be kneeling right here with the flowers. I'm so sorry it's so dark. I have to plug my ring light on my computer in order to have a little light because the room is really dark. So I'm really stressed about this. I always wanted to do self-portrait, but I'm always not sure how the pictures will come out. But let's hope for the best today. I spent a little bit on those flowers, so I hope everything turns out well. So yeah, let's go. Guys, this process was not easy. Right now I am trying to set up the camera so I can only have it take shots from my chest upward. I am using my 50mm and a camera remote trigger that I bought some time ago, so it can make the process easier for me. It's so hot in this office, you can't believe how hot it is. Alright, so I'm taking a few test shots to make sure that this is the right focus that I want and this is the right position that I'm going to be in, especially that I'm going to be on my knees. Alright, test shot, boom boom. The thing is, you have to be confident in yourself, you know. If you know how to take selfies, I'm sure you can take self-portraits. They're not much different. And what also made it very easier for me was that my camera has a flip screen. So it almost like I was like taking selfies on the camera. Those flowers are so beautiful. I'm starting with the roses first because I feel like if I do like one set of the same flowers and then like after I have all the flowers in the same frame, it will make it easier for me to create like quality pictures with them. So you just have to play around, try all the positions that you can. After a few minutes of shooting, I started feeling very comfortable and confident in what I was creating. I was very nervous at first, but the pressure just wore off. So I'm trying to take as many pictures as I can so I can have a lot to choose from. I don't want to take like few pictures and don't like any of them, so I want to have as many pictures as I can. So guys, it's so hot in here. I'm trying to do another set with those flowers and this one. So damage control, I'm trying to wipe out some sweat so that face retouching will be a little easier for me. For this set of flowers, I kinda had in mind to have like one covering my eye and another one on my shoulder. It was falling all over the place. So you have to, just as I was saying, first let your creative mind flow. At first it is kind of confusing, but after it is very easy to do.
even though it's a lot of work, a lot of movement, but it's also a lot of fun. So yeah, has always been a way for me to run away from reality, try to live in a world where I can create myself, be another person. So if you're an artist like me, I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. I also have a lot of fun when I'm creating. I relax even though my feet were killing me. I'm not as flexible as I used to be. So like staying on my knees for that long was like burning on fire. But still, it didn't take away the fun of having this photo shoot. Now I always wanted to do self-portrait, but I've been suffering from indecision, worrying that the shots will not come out right. I'm gonna waste time, and I like the pictures, but I really like what I'm creating right now and what I've created today. So all of this is the process of self-portrait, I guess. It all makes it different from just having somebody else pointing the camera at you. You know, there's a challenge in it.
Can you guys imagine just at the last minute my camera just goes off? This is unbelievable. The camera can come on. See, it is off. Wow. I'm so sorry, I'm so sweaty. So the camera came on for just a little bit. I will show you guys a picture that I took. I mean, they're not all that bad after all. I was just worried for no reason. See this. Wow. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for shooting with me today. I was a little insecure at the beginning because I didn't really know how the pictures were going to turn out, but everything happened so well. So, you know, I've been on YouTube for a long time, and maybe because I'm not consistent, that's the reason why I haven't reached 1,000 subscribers yet. But I pray that I'll keep consistent. I'll be consistent. I pray that I'll be consistent. So thank you so much for tuning in with me today. This is your girl Meskora. If you want to see the final result, you can go on my photography page, which is photograph by Meskora. I will put it somewhere here, and you can see the final results there. So thank you for watching me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which set of flower was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.